Okay, hello dear friends, good evening. So I am making this very clean and fresh salad. And it's hot outside, so I have tomato, cucumber, celery, and caper and black olive pitted, so there is no stone in it, and some lemon juice, salt, pepper, and ending with olive oil. So let's see how we do this. It's very delicious. Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon, such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I have this cucumber. Shall we peel it? Let's do it. Not too lazy. Okay. I will peel the cucumber. And yesterday I ate this tomato and I was surprised how good it is. It's not anything special. It just you go to Costco or grocery store to get a tomato, and it is so very delicious. So I will use one tomato. Let me clean it. So we have tomato, cucumber, celery, olive, and the caper. Let's do it. Super duper simple. Okay, this one you can go out. Start with the cucumber. You roll it. That should be sufficient. And celery. And tomato. So all of them in the shape of wedge. So it's uniformly shape, same kind of shape. So easy. Tomato, and that is it. Put some caper. Uh-oh. This. Okay. caper. And olive. That's sufficient. It's quite salty with olive. This is a little bit like a Greek salad, just without its without the fromage. Time to say hello. Hello. Bye bye. Hello. Bye bye. Now we put a lemon. Squeeze this lemon. And I am not putting any vinegar because lemon is good enough and really fresh. Okay. Olive oil, look at it. That is it. No other flavoring, so that it is pure. And which color do I use? Red is good. See some celery, and we want to show a couple of caper complete. That's it. Bon appetito. Is that pretty? Oh, pretty.